Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of South Africa. You can see that it has a pure rectangular shape and the Y shape. It's like alphabet Y. If we put like this, yeah, and it has a certain outlines which are parallel lines. Now let's put the colors of the flag. So in the bottom part, we can see that this is a pure dark blue color. That's what we're providing, the same color here. Okay. Let's fill it up with the pure blue color. All right. Pure blue color, you can see. Then in the middle, you are going to see that this is a green color. Let's put the green color here. In the middle, let's put the green color. Okay, all right, so the green color is done. Now we're going to put the red color on top. Let's put the red color here for the upper segments. Now I'm going to filling out the borders. Then I'm going to provide the colors in the middle spaces. Okay. When you fill up the flags, we're going to put the color as uniform as possible and as nice as possible. I'm not editing the videos or doing any parts fast forwarding. I'm doing it in real time so that you can understand that how much it's time to make such a drawing in real life. Okay, so this is the three parts. Now we're going to put the yellow color here in the middle. Let's put the yellow color. All right, in the middle spaces. Okay, after that we're going to put the black color here in this space. So let's put the black color with the pencil. All right, I'm using the 6B pencil here to draw the black color. Okay, all right. Okay, so it's a uniform pure black. Okay, all right. So this is the flag of South Africa. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.